Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, tap on Bluetooth and click on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. Following that, wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the chosen one. Now select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this little icon next to the device and choose unpair under device name. You can connect to the same one by turning off Bluetooth, then turning it back on, tapping on the same device and selecting pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!